हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू एनालिटिक्स फ्यूजन। आज के इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे हीट मैप्स के बारे में। हाउ हीट मैप्स आर यूजफुल इन डेटा एनालिसिस एंड हाउ we can create them in Tableau. So heat maps are basically color coded tables which uses color intensity to represent data. So the higher the color intensity, the higher the value, while the lower the color intensity, the lower the value. So heat maps are very simple but very powerful visualization which uses color intensity to compare data within multiple categories or multiple time intervals. So now let's try to create a heat map over here. So we will add sales to text and category and subcategory to rows over here. And we will also add year as well. Okay. So now we will create we will try to create a heat map for sales only, so that we can identify which category or subcategory and for which year we have the highest sales, or similarly the lowest sale as well. So let's add sales to color as well. So, and we will convert this mark to square. So we have the very basic heat map over here. We can say we can see also for technology and for phones, and for 2019 we have the highest sales over here, and for office supplies and for fastener, and for 2017 we have the least sales over here. So now we can also compare multiple measures as well over here. So now what we want to see, this is our sales and how much profitable we are. So we can also add profit over here. So in this particular view you can see for table subcategory we are doing pretty good in terms of sales, but there is a problem with profit. So we are getting continuously negative profit. So we can look into the data further and analyze why this is happening over here. थैंक यू एवरीवन फॉर वॉचिंग दिस। अगर आप चाहते हैं कि हम किसी एक पर्टिकुलर यूज केस के बारे में बात करें तो प्लीज़ कमेंट डाउन, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल। थैंक यू।